Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows errors. So this is for both the Windows 10 and Windows 11. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First is you just need to try to simply restart your Windows. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows, because once you restart your Windows, that will refresh all the system processes and programs on your Windows. So try restarting first. For the next method is we also need to make sure that our Windows is up to date, because once our Windows is updated, we rarely face an issue with it. So click on the start button, go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to select Windows Update and simply click this button right here to update your Windows. Now once updated, good. For the next method is you can also check the disk space of our Windows, especially if you're trying to install some programs or applications. Make a right click at the start button and then select File Explorer. Now click on this PC and make sure that you have enough space for your Windows C drive, and if not, try this method. Go ahead in the Windows search bar, type disk cleanup. You'll find disk cleanup under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. Then here you have to simply check these boxes one by one, and the total amount of disk space that you can gain will be stated right here. Click on OK, click on delete files and wait for the process to be done. Then we can also restart the File Explorer, especially for issues like File Explorer crashing. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type Task MGR. Click on Task Manager under the best match, maximize this. In the search bar, type Explorer. Make a right click, select Restart. Close this window and wait for all the icons on the taskbar to be back. Then for the next method, we can also run the system file checker scan to check and fix for any system corrupted files. Then you need to type CMD, which stands for Command Prompt. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Then here you need to type this command, sfc space / scan now. It's sfc space / scan now, hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan, and while the process is going on, you should not close the window. You can just simply minimize it, and once the process is successful, close out of here and just simply restart your Windows afterwards. Then we can also use the troubleshooting tools of our Windows. Click on the start button, go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and you'll find Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Then here you can find different troubleshooting tools for audio, network and internet, Windows Update, Bluetooth, camera, and more. So just simply click on the Run button that corresponds for the issue that you are facing. And what this will do is that it will help you detect and spot the issue that you are facing on your Windows. It will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow what it suggests and what it recommends. Then we can also perform a clean boot. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type msconfig. Click on System Configuration under the best match. Click on the Services tab. Check this box, Hide all Microsoft Services. Click on Disable All. Click on the Startup tab. Click on Open Task Manager. Change the status from Enabled to Disabled so that you will know what are the startup programs enabled on your Windows. Simply make a right click and then select Disable for all the necessary startup programs. Once done, close out of here. Click on Apply, click on OK, and click on the Restart button. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.